Right?
Okay, what have I told you about touching the mufflers? What did Daddy say about not touching the mufflers? What did he say?
I get burned.
And are you allowed to touch mufflers?
No.
Why not?
It's hot.
Okay, well then why did you touch the muffler again?
Oh, why did you? Now
Now what happened? What happened to your hand?
get burnt?
Again?
No.
Did you get burnt again?
Yes.
Did you touch the muffler again?
Yes.
Are you allowed to touch the mufflers?
No. Oh,
Why not?
it's hot.
Then why did you touch it?
You know why did you touch it?
Why did you?
Why did you? Then I'm fine.